going on, everyone? This is David Akseizer testing out my new GoPro Hero 7 Black vlog setup. DWF, driving while filming. Probably not a good thing, but I'm doing it. And I'm hoping to capture some great B-roll footage only using my Hero 7 Black just to see what I can do with it. Well, we definitely hit a little bit of traffic, but hopefully we'll get there sometime today. We're almost there, and I asked my son to put this kind of head holder around his head right before he fell asleep. I said, "You're about 5 minutes from passing out." He said, "No, I'm good. It actually only took him 2 minutes, and he was out cold. And now he's hunched forward, just like I expected, and hopefully he doesn't get a kink in his neck. Maybe I'll pull over to the side of the road and just set it up for him so he doesn't wake up with a kink in his neck. I wouldn't want that. Not for my 4-year-old son. We are just about here. We're seconds away from pulling up at Casa del Akseizer. And it was a long trip, but we made it. We're here, and we're ready to have some fun, some good old family fun, and continue testing out this GoPro Hero 7 Black with my new vlog setup. Thanks. All right, open sesame. And we're here, guys. Did we have a fun ride? Was it a long ride? It was a very long ride, but we're here now and we're ready to have some fun. One thing about Casa del Akseizer is it has a beautiful, beautiful property, so we should be able to get some really sweet B-roll right now. This place is just so beautiful. It's late spring, just about summer, and a little breezy out here on the water. Got my dead cat on just to kind of help with the wind. But this is a great place to shoot. That's what it is, a great place to test out the GoPro. Is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Got the Rode mic with the dead cat on top, so it's blocking hopefully this wind that's coming in from my right, which we're on the water, so obviously we're gonna have some wind. But definitely a piece of gear I'll be packing in my bag. This has been a lot of fun, had a lot of fun using it this morning and getting some great B-roll. This is my GoPro Hero 7 Black vlogging setup. It's also used for run and gun, and the very first accessory that I will talk about today and then I picked up was this tripod made by Samsung. Let's get into this tripod. These legs are really wide, they're very sturdy, easy to open, and I often use this when I want to set it down to talk directly to the camera and have my hands to myself. The second feature is this amazing thread that they've built into this tripod. It's really good for people like me who like to drive with their GoPro hanging out the window going 60 miles per hour, and it's very comfortable in your hand. The last component to this tripod is the fact that it extends all the way out like a selfie stick, and you twist it to lock it in place. You can make it halfway and lock it or however long you want it. The next item I want to talk about is that clunky, ugly, I really want to hide it, 3.5mm GoPro audio adapter, which you need if you want to hook up an external microphone to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I found this case very inexpensive for $15 with a $2 coupon on Amazon. It's made by Ulanzi and it's plastic, but it's sturdy. If it breaks, it's $15. It's not that big a deal. You'll just buy a new one. As you can see, it tucks your 3.5mm adapter under there nicely out of the way, so that you're not staring at it and it's not dangling off your camera while you're trying to do a shoot. Always make sure your cables are on tightly. I did lose one bit of audio during the shoot because the cables were not in all the way. Not a huge deal, just some advice because it happened to me. One last piece to this puzzle is the adapter you see here that raises the video micro up just enough to keep the dead cat out of the wide angle lens that the GoPro uses when filming. If this video micro is attached directly to the Ulanzi case and you have a dead cat on because it's a windy day, it will get in your shot and you will be one unhappy camper in post-production. To solve it, you can find any adapter. I found an adapter made by Ulanzi, the same company that makes the case, and it raises this up just enough for the video micro to stay out of your shot when this dead cat is on. It's a must. This is my GoPro Hero 7 Black vlog setup, and I'm sharing everything with you down below, all of the links. Don't forget to leave your comments, and please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, see you soon.